What's going on YouTube? Jaytime back with another banger. Today we're going to show you guys, this is going to be how to have flow on your montage part 2. I'm definitely a lot better at editing now than I was, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when I first posted that first video. So let's get right into it. Link in the description of my Discord. You guys might want to check that out. Amazing stuff in there. And let's get right into it. What's going on YouTube? Let's get into it. Alright, so once you got your clips, you want to open it over Premiere. Once you got your clips in here, as you can see, I got 3 COD clips. You can have any kind of clips, doesn't matter, Valorant, whatever your fancy is. And then once you have all your clips, I also have my intro in here. As you can tell though, I don't want to use my intro sound because I'm gonna play it with the song. So what you want to do is unlink this and you want to delete that audio. Now, if you go over to one of my clips, as you can tell, I'm listening to music while I'm playing, right? So you want to unlink all those if you are listening to music and you don't want the audio. If you do want the audio with over the music, you can just leave it in there. I usually just take the sniper shot sound and then just put it on every shot. You know what I mean? So basically, you want to unlink all those and just delete the audio, and then you want to find a song. So I just picked Step 2 Late by Jordan Lucas, and we're just gonna see how it sounds just right off the rip.
Feels like I did so much.
Okay, so right there, just from listening to it, that's where I want my first shot, right? So if you listen,
Feels like I did so much.
see? So he comes in right here, and he starts singing, and then there's a triple bass beat. That's kind of where I want my first shot.
Feels like I did so much.
Boom, right there. So zoom right in, you can get right to the bass beat, and you want to see cut, so you want to cut that there. And then you want to find your first shot in your clip. Which is right there. So you want to use the arrow keys if you need to go frame by frame so you can get right when you shoot. And you want to cut it right there. Okay, perfect. So now, as you can tell, we need to get this here, right? The shot to the bass beat. So what I usually like to do is just cut this here, delete, and move this over. Okay, but you want to leave a little space here. So honestly, like that might not even be enough. I'm gonna cut it right there. Okay, so you get to see how there's a little space from basically your last clip or intro or whatever. So once you got it there, what you want to do is I like to go into like basically right where I am about to shoot him, like right there, I'd say, right, and then you want to cut it there. You want to go a couple frames right about there, right before you shoot that, and then you want to move this clip over to your last clip or to the intro, and then you want to go down to this clip here that you just cut. You want to press R and stretch it. So hold R and stretch it. So that's slowing the clip down. Okay. So as you can see,
Feels like I did so much dirt I don't believe.
perfect. Now, another thing we can do here is right at the time where I shoot him and he's, blood everywhere falling down, you want to cut there again, go over and cut there. Now you want to just listen to the beat.
Much dirt I don't believe in.
And you see that snare drop? See that snare drop right there? I mean, you really just use, your ears and just kind of when you want, the next thing to happen, or what beat you want it on. But what you do is now go back to this clip that we cut, and you want to do the same thing. Hold R, drag it over. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay? So now,
Feels like I did so much dirt I don't believe in karma.
so you're starting to look a lot better, right?
Feels like I did so much dirt I don't believe in karma.
And then now I want another one right here. Okay, so now you're gonna find your next shot. Right there. Okay, so see now we need to move quite a far back. That's not a big deal at all. So what you want to do is go back to that shot, And right
I don't
here,
believe in karma.
see, right here, you want to basically cut before your last shot or your next shot, right? And you want to grab this and you want to hold R and you want to just bring this all the way back. Now, I usually bring it back to about...
Believe in karma.
See, there's another bass drop right here, so that'd be a nice spot, right? I always cut my audio, so then I just know. So you always cut my audio on my bass beats. And then I drag this back over to there, okay? So now you want to bring this to the next shot in the sound, right? As you can tell, I kind of cut that not in the right spot, so let me just move this back over here. Perfect. And then what I like to do now is grab this guy and drag it right to there. Okay? So now...
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't believe in karma. There's so much dirt.
Right? Looking good, looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna grab the next beat.
There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around. But these niggas fuck around. But these niggas fuck around.
See, I want it on this one just because there's like 3 basses there, right? If you listen.
But these niggas fuck around.
Boom, and that one has the actual piano in it too, right? So yeah, you just gotta listen to your song, figure it out, find the next shot. Okay, so see, now we gotta move it up, right? We're not going back, we're going forward first, or this time, right? So what you want to do is grab this, go to your next shot. Okay, you want to always cut because if this is a shot, you never want to mess this up right here. So like, what you usually want to do is cut it there, anywhere kind of, you know, close to it so it doesn't mess up that shot, right? Now, what you want to do is cut it over on this end. And then drag this over to here. And hold R, and drag that back. Make it slow. Okay?
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't believe in karma. There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around, someone better warn.
Looking pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, I think that's it for this one. So basically, what I want to do
around, someone better warn.
Boom, is cut it there. See? There's
niggas fuck around, someone better warn them.
Boom, right? Alright, next clip. I'm not sure what this is, but
And I ain't scared of shit.
find your next shot. Looks like it's right here. I like to just cut it here to make this clip smaller or easier to work with. And then find your next
Round, someone better warn them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it come.
I kind of wanted to be right here. So, you know, cut that, make this smaller so you can work with it. And then basically cut here. You know, on this one, we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to only do the back end slowdown. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go just drag this clip up to here so it meets. If your clip's not long enough, basically just hold R and make it slower, right? And then you don't have a choice. So now what you want to do here, see, this is a... This is you guys join my Discord. I do have a presets pack. Very good, but basically, you know, I'll just throw a glow flash B and a glow flash A in there. Done. So, perfect. Now, right when you shoot this guy, right, and then what you want to do is the same thing. Drag this to here, take this, and drag it out.
I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it coming.
See, that's perfect, right? And then here we go.
See it coming. And I ain't scared of shit.
Boom! Oh, right there. That's beautiful.
And I ain't scared of shit.
Sometimes your shots will line up pretty close, but it's not perfect. So gotta fix that. Bring this back. Remember,
see it coming.
This one, it's okay because see the shot is here. Just and I slowed it down. So it's actually okay to just cut this here, move this over, right? And then you can just, right? You don't really have to speed this one up. If you could, if you wanted to, like, because there's another bass here, right? So why not bring this back so then it's more in sync? You feel me? And that there, boom.
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't believe in karma. There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around, someone better want them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it coming. And I ain't scared of shit, don't wanna see the honor. Just broke up with my bitch, I don't believe in drama.
So, there you go. That is how you sync your
See
clip.
the honor.
Remember, Control Alt and then scroll on your mouse wheel to zoom in. I know you guys probably are noobs, but you know what I'm saying. So now we got a little bit of time here, so I'm going to show you guys real quick how to add some effects and stuff like that, just to make it even look even better, right? So once again, right from the top.
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't believe in karma. There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around, someone better want them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it coming. And I ain't scared of shit, don't wanna see the honor. Just broke up with my...
Looks pretty good, right? Pretty good, but so what we want to do here is...
Feels like I did so much dirt.
What we want to do, right, as you can see right here, right? So this is right before I shot, we slowed it down. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description to my certain presets. But once you download those, you want to go to Effects. And then what we can do is Motion Trail Light. We can do Motion Trail Light right here. And just see how it looks.
Feels like
No.
I did so much.
That does not work. Because I went to the wrong clip. There it is. So I put it on the clip, you know, that I slowed down, but I wanted to put it on the clip before. So what you want to do now is, well, I'm just going to ready this out really quick.
Feels like I did so much dirt.
Perfect. Okay, now after the shot, right, a nice effect to put in this after shot is, if you go transitions, a lens bump B.
Dirt, I don't
See how it,
dirt, I don't
right? It like bumps the screen. It makes it look a lot better. So now this looks like this.
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't
Boom, right? Okay.
believe in karma. There's so much dirt,
That's all good.
I had to sleep with armor.
Right here. See, right here, we're going to have to add something, a little effect, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to go to the effects, light leak flicker.
There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around.
And I'm also going to actually put it into this one as well. Let me render this out.
There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around, so
And again, we're going to use a lens bump B on the end
fuck
shot.
around, someone
And also, I forgot this one, so we're going to go back to this one.
karma.
I'm going to add that lens bump B.
Even karma. There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor.
That's so
But these
subtle, but
niggas
it
fuck
makes it
around,
look
someone
nice.
better want them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see.
Okay, so now right here we have a couple missed beats and snares. I want to fix that.
There's so much dirt, I had to sleep.
So right there we have a snare. So add a lens bump B and a lens bump A.
There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor.
See? Boom. Every snare, a lens bump B and a lens bump A, is going to basically react with the snare in a good way. So you know, that way every single beat or every single snare is going to have something over it, right? Just makes it sound a lot better. Like I can even do it in my intro here, just to show you guys. So 1 bass beat, 2 bass beat, 3 bass beat, and a snare, I think. So we're just gonna grab lens bump B's and we're just cut the clip too. And we're just gonna grab lens development B's and post them on every one of these, and it just makes it look as you'll see. Okay, see, so right here, you could even go. We're gonna add a inverted flash, right? And then, see, I never do like the triple beats until it's the last beat. So right here, I add another lens development beat. And then another one right here too. See? You don't have to do this, you know what I mean? But it just, you know what I'm saying? It makes it nice.
Feels like I did so much dirt, I don't believe in karma. There's so much dirt, I had to sleep with armor. But these niggas fuck around, someone better want them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it coming. And I ain't scared of shit, don't wanna see the honor.
That's looking pretty good.
Niggas fuck around, someone better want them. I just roll up with that chopper, they ain't see it coming. And I ain't scared of shit, don't wanna see the honor.
Yup, I would say that is very good actually. For 25 seconds of it, yeah. But there is a lot more. There's a lot more effects. I'm not gonna get too crazy into it because it's 15 minutes. But maybe I'll make part 2 if you guys do like this video. Yeah, this is basically how to have flow, how to match your your shots up with your beats. There are different tactics, different ways. I could use effects as well. I'm going to post a video on that. You can use effects in Animation Studio as well, and this kind of gives it a different effect. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys have a good day, good rest of your day, and thanks for watching. And if you guys want, smash the like button and subs. It really means a lot to me.